So we just got to the leather market here in Guangzhou. This is where all the factories in the area and throughout a lot of the country get their raw material, whether it be leather, nylon, whatever it may be. A lot of the material stems from the market right here. So as you can see, some of the shops, we're gonna walk in, check some of them out, understand what kind of leather and material they have. So here we've got we got a lot of different types of colors, a lot of different types of materials, and so literally a lot of the factories will come here and inspect and see what kind of leather they want on their bags. And so for you as an e-commerce company looking to produce your own products, a lot of times the factory merchandiser is going to come here and see what kind of material you should get exactly for your bag. So there's a lot of these different stores. Here's one, it's called Busiet leather, and as you can see, they've got all sorts, all of these books are filled with material as well. And even they've got, some different types of skin leather as well. Kind of looks like a little, this is the PVC material, but as you can see, a lot of different styles, so it's pretty good. So you sell to a lot of the factories in the area, right? A lot of the PVC is here, but they've even got special materials. She said she saw Sourcify at the Canton Fair, so she's excited to see us again. Thank you so much. You can export to America soon. So this is, a lot of these showrooms you have here. Check this one out here. They've got a lot of different materials, as you can see, and it's all over the place. They've got, so many different styles. Here you can purchase materials right, on the sales floor, and they do transactions right here. So the factories aren't at this location, but the factories are in Foshan, which, how far is Foshan? It's closer to Guangzhou. That's where the factories are. Going deeper into the market here, we've got a lot more materials that we're going to be exploring. So we really got to be aware of what's going on. Those are going to get hit, Let's see. So check this out. All the way here, it's all material shops. All sorts of different materials. So, it doesn't matter what kind of bag you're producing. A lot of time, you might pull up, check out this shop right here. Got all these materials. Find out camouflage. You want, these sorts of patterns. Got all sorts of materials ready to be purchased and put into production. So, Jiayu leather looks like a pretty good shop right here. Not bad. All these shops, selling similar materials, but really competing head to head for business. So you gotta be aware and watch out to understand what's going on. I mean, look at this. This is what kind of fabric is this? Feel this. Feel this right here. Pull off and take the sample. I could put this in my bag, take it back to the customers to see. So a pretty good opportunity there. So these markets, we got quite a bit going on. Got blowing up the fabric, Speed roll. they're trying to get all these materials out of here. Came this way? I think so. Yeah. So let's hop out. You know, we gotta get moving. Really cool exploring this market though. I mean, how much volume do you think is in this market? Probably, you know, hundreds of thousands of pounds of material, at least. And it's traded all the time. I mean, it's really incredible to see the volumes that they put out here. And everyone, you know, do business right here. Just right there. I can go in and probably purchase some material right now. You know? Pop in, purchase something. $10 leather, pretty good. Good shop. You export all around the world. Pretty cool. Now, don't turn that out. So the factory is pretty close to this market. So they sell this material all over. Pretty cool. So, you know, this guy, for example, he brings in the sample, shops it around, says, hey, what's the material that I can have for this bag right here? He's probably a merchandiser at a factory and gets the material right here. He'll probably buy however much he needs for production.